Our next subject could easily be confused with ash because it has these big compound leaves. They are like ash, they are pinnately compound, so we've got a leaflet on one side and a leaflet on the other side. And you would be you would easily go to something like ash because it has those compound leaves, but this is something that's going to be much more common. Now it's kind of hard to see this, but here we have a leaf on, or a bud on one side, and then the next bud is over here. So you can see how they're alternating. They're not opposite. So this one can't be an ash. Compound leaves, and hard to see. I will zoom in a little bit, but see how there's hair right here and right here on the rachis. That hairiness on the rachis is a very key diagnostic feature. It's tomentose. So that's not Mentos like the candy, but tomentose. So it's slightly fuzzy and hairy, and you can even see that if you're seeing this plant in person. You can see it by looking up through the sky, and when the light hits it, you can see how tomentose it is. So this is a hickory. Hickories a lot of times will have this ropey bark. Ropey meaning it looks like it's sort of woven like rope, old kind of rope would be. So it has kind of a weave to it. So bark that looks kind of ropey instead of like ash. And also it's opposite with this, it's alternate with these large compound leaves. This is mockernut hickory, Carya tomentosa. If I look up at the bark, see how the bark gets the bark is kind of stays flat or gets flatter as we go up, isn't quite as ropey. That happens in younger trees. Carya tomentosa. I'll show you some other hickories later.